part of our cooking series on Southern foods, we're going to demonstrate the proper procedures for making cornbread. Once you know how to prepare cornbread, any recipe with ingredients you like will be terrific. I like cornbread that has a dark crust on the bottom and sides as well as on the top. To do that, you need a heavy cast iron skillet or similar baking pan. Put the skillet into a preheated oven while you mix the ingredients. You want it very hot when you pour in the batter. High quality cornmeal is essential if you want the corn flavor to come through. At Dixie Bones, we use stone ground meal from corn grown in Hanover County, Virginia. You need flour along with the cornmeal because the flour contains the protein gluten that holds everything together. Combine all of the dry ingredients before adding in the liquid ones. You have to incorporate the wet ingredients in a specific order, otherwise you'll have a mess. Add the cold liquids to the dry mix first. Then add any melted shortening and butter. Mix these briefly together. Only then can you add raw eggs. If you put the eggs in either before you add the hot oils, or if the hot oils are floating on top of the bowl, you'll scramble the eggs. When everything is in the bowl, mix things only until the ingredients are blended. Do not overmix the ingredients. Mixing activates the protein in the flour. Overactivating the protein makes the cornbread tough, and that's not good. Remove the skillet or pan from the hot oven, pour in the batter, smooth out the top with a spatula, and bake according to your own recipe. Now find a recipe that sounds good to you. Incorporate the things we shared, and you'll have your family's own favorite cornbread. Thank you for watching. Let us know what you think.